Roxy is meeting her two boyfriends.
Now they both kissed her.
Roxy, don't you dare hump. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, now you're smelling what they ate for dinner too? Say hi. Well, I guess they're all the same height.
So they've already been fixed?
Yep, got their shots, been fixed.
Wow.
Say hi. They're so cute. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi. You look like
So
my
how old
Oscar.
are they? About 2.5 months? 3 months?
They said 3 months,
I
love.
think it's either, yeah.
3 months? Right?
Hi. Oh, now Roxy, you're behaved? Really? Okay, go say hi to Roxy. Say hi. Hi. Oh, that's so cute. You got a smooch. Roxy.